Welcome to this week's Family Health Minute. This week's minute looks at the importance of correcting vertebral subluxations. Subluxation, also referred to as vertebral subluxation, is when there is interference to the nervous system, the system that controls and coordinates all functions of the body. Subluxations can happen due to all sorts of reasons, and the side effects can vary from person to person. One thing is for certain: subluxations can definitely harm your health and should be corrected. Here are 3 common symptoms of vertebral subluxation. 1. Neck or back pain are the most obvious symptoms of a subluxation of the spine. The pain can range in severity, with some people experiencing only mild discomfort and others experiencing complete debilitation. 2. Headaches often occur with subluxations due to pressure and tension. Without release of this tension, it can build until it reaches the base of the head and causes headaches. 3. Stiffness or inflexibility can be a symptom of subluxations of the spine, making it difficult to move. More scientific evidence is showing the risk of subluxations and the health benefits of correcting them, something chiropractors have known for over 100 years. To be the healthiest you can be, it is important your nervous system is functioning free of interference from subluxations. And of course, chiropractic care has been proven to improve your overall health and well-being. Make chiropractic a regular health habit for the whole family to ensure your spines and nervous systems are working the best they can. And that is this week's Family Health Minute.